how to reset your HP DeskJet, that is the model HP DeskJet 2855E. In case you're having issues with the Wi-Fi, this is what most people complain about this model, or any other issues. So the first thing, once you encounter errors or issues, I always suggest before trying a reset to simply disconnect the power cable from the back of the printer. Wait around, I would say, a minute, 2 minutes, connect it back, turn the printer on, and many times, since this is a software issue, the problem will be gone without doing a reset. Now, if you absolutely need to do a reset, well, come over here, turn on the printer, and now we need to keep press the Wi-Fi button and the X button both at the same time for around between 3 and 5 seconds until the power button stops blinking. Let's do it together. So Wi-Fi, X button, and I keep press and I stay like this. Okay, it's blinking, it stopped blinking. I release my fingers, and now the Wi-Fi has been resetted. You're gonna notice that the Wi-Fi icon will start doing this small animation and that the Wi-Fi button will blink blue. This means that it's ready to be set up again, because it won't be connected to any Wi-Fi networks. It's a reset. So take your phone or your computer and set up your printer like a brand new one. Hopefully the error will not come back afterwards. If you need to use Wi-Fi Direct, well, you will need to activate that feature because the icon disappeared simply by pressing the Wi-Fi button a few times. Here we go. You see, it appeared over here. So if you needed to use this feature, well, that's how you turn it on. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.